Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am your teacher Arusa Jamil. And students, in previous lesson I gave you the concept of number 5 and today I teach you how to write the number 5. Okay? Before we start writing, remember that this is standing line, this is slipping line, and this is backward curve. We use these lines to make the number 5. Once again, the first one is standing line, the second one is slipping line, and the third one is backward curve. Is it clear? Let's start writing. The first step is to draw a small slipping line like this. Okay? And then join first dot to the second dot. Is it clear? The second step is draw standing line like this. And now join second dot to the third dot. Is it clear? The last step is draw a backward curve. And now complete this curve. Finally, we have done number 5. Well done, students. And now your homework is to write number 5 on your notebook and make a picture and send to me. Take care. Bye.